Guys, let's unbox. Watch me unbox. Okay, so let me use my good scissors. So let me see the inside. Ooh. Wow, this is sturdy. This is strong. Definitely looks stronger than this one I have here. Ooh. Okay, so this is what the when I can't see everything, it's like, let me finish that one. This is a lot of things. Yeah. Put this away. So this is the main thing I get from. So let me put my little lights, you know, sides to the front. That's for the pattern. Okay, so I'm seeing open from here. Sorry guys, I'm trying to figure out how to open this stuff. Oh, bush there. This is it. Ooh. So this is the adapter. This is where you plug battery charger. This is the rotator battery pack. This is the second battery pack, and this is the light itself. Ooh. Okay, so trying to sharpen this. Wow, this is lovely. Wow, yes, and this, and this is beautiful. So this is LED light kit, LED lights, Pro 800. So now I want to do a test for this. So I need to get the adapter. Don't want to do the headset. So I'm fast with this. I'll connect this adapter. I have a socket behind here. Not turn it on yet. Just want to test this out. I don't know where it's meant to go to it. Sorry. I'm a bush girl. Sorry, this is where it's meant to go. Put it in. So now. Damn, the brightness is brightening. Okay. See. Oh, guys, get ready. I'm about to show you two bedrooms. Get ready. The brightness is brightening. Oh my god. Oh my god. Like, guys, are you seeing the difference? Okay, let me turn it on. Let me turn it on first. Have you seen that? No, just see. Guys, just see. Just take a look at it. Can you see how it is now? Oh, guys, you will see my videos clearer now. Oh my god, this is beautiful. And this is where you place the batteries. Wow. This is amazing. Wow. So guys, this is all about my unboxing. I'm going to drop the handle of the lady I bought it from if you want to buy. See. Bye-bye.